Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace a H7 headlight bulb. As you can see, this one is working fine and this one is blown. It's the H7. Let's turn off the lights and open the bonnet. This one is a H7 12 volt 55 watt. There's this one, so it's behind here. As you can see, there's no much room. In this car I have to remove this cover. There's a fuse box under here, so I have to remove the fuse box cover and this connector here. There we go. Now we have enough room. Let's remove the rubber cover. 1 second, I'll open. Yeah, now it's better. And this is the connector, and it's connected straight away to the bulb. We have to just turn slightly and pull. There we go. Let's remove the old bulb. There we go. This is the new one. And there's only one way. You cannot go wrong. As you can see, there's one side flat on this side. Just push inside and make sure do not touch the glass. Now is in. Check from outside as well. As you can see, is aligned. Let's put the rubber cover back. Put the wires in first. Like so. And then the rubber cover. done. Connector in place, and the fuse box cover as well. Okay, now let's check if it's working fine. Yeah, that's good. All working fine. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe.